Cuckoo, hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing this halo crown. As you can see, this is what is on vogue right now for birthdays, what birthday photo shoots and all of that, baby shower and all of that. So I thought to myself, why not create something like this? Because I saw the price, like it was crazy. It was really expensive, and I'm like, okay, I'm going to use this if I have to, maybe for just a photo shoot. Why do I have to buy this thing so expensive? So I decided to try something on my own, and I came up with something that looks just like it. It's really beautiful, and everything I used is just common around you. You can easily get it, and it's so cheap. It's not going to cost you much. Okay, see, I'm rocking this. It's so beautiful. Before we go into the tutorial, I just want to thank you very much for coming. Thank those who are coming in for their first time, and thank all those who keep coming back. You all are the real MVPs. I'm so super duper grateful for your love, for your support. I thank you very much. Please keep coming back, and we are sure to have fun learning together. Your girl loves to do things, to create things, so you're going to learn a lot with me, and I'm sure in the comment section I'm going to learn some things from you as well. Please do stay with me, interact with me, leave all your questions, suggestions, and in the comment section as we learn together. See, oh my goodness, I'm rocking this, I'm loving this. Wow. Okay, I'll just take it up a little so I don't have to bend. It's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, I know, right? I love. Okay, let's get straight into the tutorial. So we're going to need super glue, some petals. I got this from Lazada, barbecue skewers or sticks, plastic hairband, styrofoam, and glue gun, and of course the gold spray paint. So first things first, I wanted to do my halo crown with some of the sticks longer than others. So I just estimated the length I wanted. I didn't measure, and I just marked it with my marker so that it's even. I just took a handful of the barbecue skewers, and then I'm going to cut them now from the mark I made. While cutting, make sure it's smooth under so that it can um, be glued easily. Now I have my styrofoam balls. They are lightweight. I just wanted to have some sort of I don't know, round things at the end of my sticks. So I was just going to place them there, but this one's melted. You'll see. You'll see towards the end of the tutorial. You're going to see the styrofoam balls. I guess it was not a good idea because the spray paint melted it. I think a chemical in the paint doesn't go well, or maybe there was a chemical reaction that took place. I don't know. Okay, so after doing that, I had just plugged my glue gun in. It was hot already, so I just went ahead to put the glue on the headband, and I was gluing it long shot alternatingly. So I was trying to make sure it's in a straight line. I was trying to get the line as straight as possible, and I was trying to make sure the spaces are even. The spaces between each stick is even. Yep. Long, short, long, short, long, and short. Yeah, you just continue the process like that. And if you want yours maybe a little more tightly spaced, you should consider putting the glue, reducing the spaces between each stick. So there you go, I'm done. Now I just took it outside to spray paint. You make sure you spray it generously because you want it to be really golden. There you go. Oh, see, you see the styrofoam balls were melting off. You can see. I think there was a chemical reaction, so I had to change tactics. See, it melted off all. Okay, there. After letting the paint to dry, obviously I spray painted both sides. After letting it dry, I just came in with my petals, my red petals. I was just putting the glue, the hot glue, and I was just arranging it whatever way I thought I could. So you could do whatever arrangement you think will be beautiful for you. It's all about your inspiration. I just kept arranging, and yeah, after arranging, I went in with, I'm sure you haven't seen when I used the super glue. I actually went in with my super glue now to add again on the hot glue. No, the glue was cold already. When the sticks were already there stuck, I just added the super glue to make it to stick more firmly, so it's really firm. Yep, I'm done with my petal arrangement. Now I'm just going to go in with my styrofoam balls again. This time around I'm not going to spray it, so I'm sure it's not going to melt. So I just went in there and with my hot glue, I was just putting and sticking it there. If you're still watching, please do consider to subscribe, like, and share. Please support your girl. Thank you for the support thus far. I love you all, my subscribers, my returning subscribers, all of you watching my videos. Thank you. Yep. And after doing that, I still had not given up on the balls I wanted at the end of the sticks. So I went in again with my hot glue at the end of the sticks, and I just tried to make some seemingly round things like balls. I just tried to make them around there. So I just made that on all the sticks. See, that one seems she wants to go off. I'm just going to reinforce it again with super glue. After doing that, you just go in with your hand to, after the glue is almost cold, you just go in with your hand and just make sure it's as round as possible. Nope, see, that was hot. So after doing all of that, I'm just going to spray paint the ends again, and this time around it did not melt out. And you can see that's my hello crown. This beautiful. I love. Please do try these and give me a shout out if you do. See? I look like a queen, right? I know. I love it. It's beautiful. You see, with this, you can easily um, afford how much a barbecue takes, how much is a headband, and the petals. Everything is so cheap. You just do this, and then you're good to go with your photo shoot. Queen Karen. Yeah. Is it queen or princess? I'll go Queen Karen. Okay, thank you for watching thus far. I'm super grateful for the love and the support. Please again do consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and why not hitting the notification bell so that each time I upload a video you will be one of the first people to know, and you can watch and learn something new. I'm always up to something. My mind is always working. I'm up to something all the time. So, see you. Thank you again for staying by. I love you all. Ciao.